Hello everyone, my name is Anupodar. So today I am going to discuss about unit number 1, the software problem and software process. Lecture number 2. So the contents that we are going to discuss in this video are about the scale as well as the change in software projects. So let us see what is the scale in software projects. Now most industrial strength software systems tend to be large and complex, so requiring tens of thousands of lines of code. Now development of a large system requires a different set of methods when compared to developing a small system. So as the methods that are used for developing small system that do not scale up to large system. So as we are seeing, all of the software projects, it requires thousands of lines of code. So if you are developing a large system, it requires different sets of methods when compared to a small system. But these developing small systems do not scale up to large systems. Now methods used to develop programs for small scale software is different from methods for developing programs for larger software, so that a smaller software can be scaled to large systems. Now in small projects, informal methods for development and management can be used. Now suppose for larger projects, both have to be much more rigorous. Now this is the problem of scale, that is the smaller projects mostly cannot be scaled to large complex projects. So in the informal process development methods, when you are developing informal methods, okay, the project management will be at informal. So when you go on try to scale to large complex projects, it becomes formal. Now I will go to what is change. Now software has to be changed even after it has been deployed. So even if you deploy the project, it is not that the software need not have to be changed. Sometimes the changes have to be made. Business is changing very rapidly in modern age. As business changes, software supporting it needs to be changed. So as the business changes, again you have to change the software and again you have to deploy it. So it's not that once you deploy, you did not make changes to the software. So as the business changes, you have to make changes in the software. Rapid change in the software has a special impact on it. So whatever the changes you made in software will have a good impact on it. There are a lot of experimentation from change software. So it is one of the challenges in software engineering. By applying AC principles, software of high quality and productivity can be produced. So if you are applying a good AC principles, okay, productivity can be produced. But these principles are not used for accommodating even for small changes. Now as you can see here, the student here, developer is the user, okay, so bugs will be tolerable for him, user interface will be not important and no documentation. But when you go for the industrial strength, so in industries, if student acts as a developer, okay, so for him bugs are tolerable, okay, user interface is not important and documentation he does not do in developing a software. Whereas when you go for industrial strength, others will be the users, okay. So bugs will not be tolerated, user interface will be an important issue, and documentation needs to be for the user as well as for the organization as well as the project. Now in this video we have discussed about problems caused due to the scaling of small and large software projects, making changes in the software due to rapid change in business. Thank you.